In today's video, I'll show you how to enter journal entries in Zoho Books quickly and accurately. Whether you're managing business finances or preparing statements, this guide will make the process simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tips. Start by navigating to the Accountant module in the left sidebar and click Manual Journals. This is where all your journal entries are tracked. To create a new one, click the plus New Journal button at the top right. First, fill in the header details. Select the date of the entry, check the automatically generated journal number or customize it. Add a brief description. Choose your reporting method, cash accrual or both, and set the currency if needed. Next, add your debit and credit lines. Choose the relevant ledger accounts from the drop-down menu. Enter the amounts and optionally link a customer or vendor. Make sure your total debits equal your total credits. Balancing is essential. Once everything looks good, either save as draft to review later or save and publish to post the entry permanently to your financial statements. And that's it. You've successfully entered a journal entry in Zoho Books. Following these steps keeps your books accurate and your financial records organized. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tutorials.